Hello students, we have learned that plants are one source of our food. But can you use whole plant as a food? No. We use some parts of plant as a food. Means we eat many leafy vegetables. Means here we use leaf part. We eat fruits of some plants. Means we eat fruit. Sometimes roots, sometimes stems, and even flowers also we use as a food. So we know that some plants we eat more than two parts. For example, mustard plants. So we know that mustard plants seeds which gives us oil and leaves that use as a vegetable. Also another example we can take a banana plant. So in banana plant we use fruit we are eating as a raw, and flower we use to prepare a vegetables. Means from this example we came to know that some plants have two or more edible parts. In activity 4 table 1.4 we have seen that plant part as a food. Means in that we seen that plant parts flower, fruit, stem, leaf, root, seed we use as a food. Now sometimes we wonder how do we get our food. To understand this we take up activity 5. So look here student, activity 5. In activity 5 we take dry seeds of moong, chana or Turkish gram. Turkish gram means we called it matki. So here we take some dry seeds of matki. Now put a small quantity of seeds. Which seeds? Seeds of matki in a container. So look here, in a container we put a matki, some quantity of matki in a container which is filled with water, and leave this aside for a day. Means we have to keep that for soaking the seeds overnight. Next day drain the water completely. Next day what we have to do? Drain the water completely and leave the seeds in a vessel. Means from that container we have to drain the water. Means we have to separate water and leaves the seed in a vessel. I have shown here. Next, wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. Means here which seeds we leave, so that we have to wrap in a piece of wet cloth and we have to keep it aside. The following day means next day, you observe a small white structure have grown out of the seed. Means if next day you remove that cloth, then you observe a small white structure which have grown out of the seed. Suppose if you have not seen this white structure come out of the seed, then again you have to wash the seeds in water and drain the water and leave them aside for another day covered with a wet cloth. The next day if you see, the seeds have sprouted, and after washing these sprouted seeds you can eat them. Means they can also be boiled, and adding some spices we get a tasty snack to eat. Means in this way we get a sprouted seeds from a dry seeds. Understood students?